Well, I will just be frank. This is my first time of doing a black eye, of doing a smoky eye. Like, I went out of my comfort zone to give you guys this look. Oh yeah, and I'm loving it. I'm loving the lashes. I got these lashes from Mink. I got it from Amazon. This is how it looks, and it's looking so luscious. What did I say? What did I say? Luscious? That one never existed. It doesn't exist. Maybe it's not existing in GraceWorld Beauty GraceWorld Beauty channel. Yeah, that's what I would say. It's not existing.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl GraceWorld Beauty, and in today's look I'll be creating a soft smoky eye with a full face makeup tutorial. This tutorial is beginners friendly and I hope you like and enjoy. Let's head right into the video. So guys, I've already done my brows, as you can see. So to prime my eyelids, I use my Holy Grail LA Girl Pro Primer to prime my eyelids to avoid creasing, because that's what my eyes does. And I blended it in using my IMAX design brush, and I subtly set it with a loose powder.
It's barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So using my Candle Peaches palette from Jacob and Eli. Oh guys, I love this palette. So I'm going in with Caramel and Gumbel as my transition shade. And the brush I'll be using is my fluffy brush from Qivange eye brush set. This brush is fluffy and blends everything well. So I'm going back and forth on my crease. Using my Inglot gel liner in shade 77. This eyeliner is the black of the blackest, so I'm placing it on my lids area to act as a base for the black eyeshadow. As you can see, I'm not taking it over to the crease so that it can blend with other colors when blended. So for the black eyeshadow, I'll be going in with my Saharan palette by Juvia's, and I'm placing this eyeshadow on the Inglot gel liner and gently blending it out. And I'm taking my time to blend this, guys. Forget about how fast this is. So, and the brush I'm using to do this is from Qivange. Basically all the eye brushes I use for this look is from Qivange. So to add more color to the look, I used Kenya and Jezebel from Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's, and I blended this eyeshadows and everything out. The lashes I use for this look is from Caribbean Mink 3D false lashes. These lashes are big, they are beautiful, and I'm loving the effect it brought to this look. So to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eye, I used my L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumiere Shimmer It. Guys, this powdered highlighter is live. It shines like as bright as a diamond.
Love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So moving on to the face, I have already moisturized my face, and the primer I'll be using today is my Baby Skin Primer. So for the foundation, I'll be mixing my two favorite foundations, which are Milani shade Chestnut and my Clinique Beyond Perfecting shade 28 Glow. I found that mixing these two foundations give me my perfect skin tone. So I blended it into my skin using my foundation brush from IMAX Design. To further blend it, I use my damn beauty blender to remove the excess foundation and make the skin look flawless. And so for my concealer, I use my LA Girl Pro Concealer shade Toffee, and I'm highlighting my under eye, jaw, cubic bones, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose using the same beauty blender. I blended in the concealer into my face.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go.
To contour my face, I use this beautiful brown color here from the Zulu palette by Juvias, and I also use the same color to contour my nose. So to bronze up my face, I use my IMAN Pressed powder in shade F medium, and with my contour brush from Real Techniques, I bronzed out my face, making my face look so on point.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So to set the highlighted areas of my face, I am using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and guys, I am pressing this powder to my face. Note, I am not baking. I am pressing this powder into my face using my beauty blender, and I also use my Maybelline loose powder to set the other areas of my face.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting writing to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Using same palette, I am going to take chocolate and licorice from Jacob and Eli palette, and I'm going to softly smoke out my under eyes area. And to add more smokiness to the eyes, I use my I use Jezebel from Nubian 2 palette, and I also use a black eyeliner to line my waterline.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
So guys, I am going to buff out these excess powders off my face using my MAC Studio Fix powder in shade NC50. Guys, as you can see, it's broken and it's making me sad, and I wish I can get a new one, but guys, you know, it's all about money. So the brush I'm using, I can't remember the name, but when I remember, I'm going to list it on the description box below. So I'm using my CoverGirl mascara to just, you know, lift up those lashes to give it a very nice look. And also, I can't forget to also, you know, set my under eyes, like those lashes there. So to add more highlighter,
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
so using my blush and bronzer palette from Profusion, I'm just, you know, giving myself a soft blush, just blushing out my cheekbones softly, and then I am going to highlight my face with the same highlighter I use for my brow bone, which is L'Oreal Paris highlighter, powder highlighter. Guys, I can't get enough of this highlighter. I wish this highlighter will follow me everywhere I go. So after applying the highlighter, I spray my face with my Maybelline Newyork Masterpiece setting spray to lock in the products into the face and for it to last long too.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
So I'm going for the nude lipstick because we're having a bold eyes, right? So I'm just lightly, you know, drawing out my lip lines with my very light brown pencil, and I'm going to go in with my nude lipstick from Classic, and boom, that it is, guys. This is the finished look. So my lovely people, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell so that you get notified. And as for this hair, guys, I did it myself. The tutorial will be listed down below, and for the product I also use will be listed down below. So Until next time, remain blessed. Mwah.